Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will show you how to decorate a cake with wafer paper. Wafer paper can be used in a variety of applications on cakes, cupcakes, and cookies. Let us know in the comments how you like to use wafer paper to decorate your treats. During this video, I will show you how to make spheres out of cutout circles, as well as how to color the white wafer paper. Continue watching this video to learn more about decorating with wafer paper. Let's get started. Start by cutting out circles of wafer paper using a round punch. I am using a 1.5 inch cutter. Cut out circles along the top edge, then trim the wafer paper to cut more circles. Continue this process until you have cut out your desired amount of circles. I used about 10 circles to create each bunch. Divide the circles depending on how many different colors of luster dust you are using. I will be using 6 colors of luster dust, so I divided mine into 6 piles. Use a fluffy dusting brush to apply the luster dust to both sides of the wafer paper circle. Be sure to use enough dust to transfer the color to the wafer paper. If you pick up too much dust on your brush, use it to color the circle and brush off any excess. Continue coloring the wafer paper circles with luster dust until they are all covered. You can do this with shimmer or matte luster dust. If you want to add a shimmer to your matte luster dusts, watch till the end of the video to see how we recommend adding some sparkles. Next, carefully fold each circle in half, making sure the edges line up. This wafer paper has a side that is smoother and a side with more texture. Fold the circle so the textured side is on the inside. Once all of your pieces are folded, use a small paintbrush to apply a very small amount of water to the folded edge. Line up another folded circle and pinch together along the folds. Be sure to pinch them tightly so they adhere to one another. You also want to make sure you do not use too much water, as this will dissolve the wafer paper and it will not hold together. At this point, you can continue attaching two circles together or add them one by one until you are happy with the size. This process is easier to complete if you attach larger groups together rather than one at a time. Repeat this process with all remaining colors. Allow these to dry for 10 to 15 minutes before applying to your cake. To attach these to the cake, apply a small amount of piping gel to the folded edge and press to adhere to the frosting. You can also pipe buttercream on the folded edge to attach to the cake. Once the wafer paper bunches have been applied to the cake, use white jewel dust and a dry dust pump to add some sparkles to the cake. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Be sure to leave us a comment down below letting us know what videos you would like to see in the future. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, check out the buttercream decorated cakes playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products and be sure to check out our video reels by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We'd love to see the treats you create and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.